Factories come up, Part 2. Where did workers come from? Initially, workers were from same district. Industries usually obtain workers from the nearby districts. Peasants and artisans, that is, persons that create things by hand, visit industrial centers for work, as they did not have work in villages. Example, in Bombay cotton industries during 1911, there were about 50% workers from neighboring district Ratnagiri. Similarly, mills of Kanpur get labor from villages of Kanpur district. Workers started traveling longer distances to get jobs. As time passed, people started traveling longer distances in hope to get work in the mills. More people, few jobs. During that time, getting a work was very difficult because the number of workers needed for an industry was very few and available workforce was very large. Even if the number of mills and industries were increasing, still the same condition continued. Most of the times, the industrialists employ a old and trusted worker to recruit the workers called jobber. A jobber called people from his village or in relation, offer them jobs and help them to settle in the city. Sometimes help them financially. Soon, jobbers started demanding money and gifts from workers for his favor and also started controlling the lives of workers. Increase in industry workers. Over time, the number of factory workers increased. In 1901, Indian factories got 5,84,000 workers. But by 1946, number of workers increased to far more, that is 24,36,000.